Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 1994 Pontiac Firebird. This Pontiac is powered by V8 engine, automatic transmission and has 52,540 miles. Rev up your passion with this 1994 Pontiac Firebird. Classic muscle meets modern style, a true head-turner. With a powerful engine and sleek design, it's the perfect blend of performance and nostalgia. Don't miss out, your dream ride awaits. This pre-owned Firebird comes with many comfort and luxury, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Safety was put first by the following features. ABS brakes. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.